Hello, welcome to GuruFocus. This is the 11th episode of Mastering the GuruFocus site, a series designed to help you learn your way around at GuruFocus.com. In this episode, Ins and Outs of Interactive Charts, we take a look at how GuruFocus's interactive charts work, as well as some tips and tricks on how to make full use of this feature. On the GuruFocus stock pages, one of the tabs is the interactive chart. On the interactive chart, you will see the stock price history by default, but there is a wide variety of other data points, valuation metrics, and such that you can choose to display as well. These are organized by type, with the most popular at the top, followed by valuation and quality, balance sheet and income statement items and such, Guru and insider data, and so on. If you know the name of the metric you are looking for, you can search it in the top bar here. To better differentiate between metrics, you can always change the color by going to the little settings icon here. There are also templates you can take advantage of, such as the Peter Lynch chart, the income statement and balance sheet, and things like that. You can also save your current settings as a new template. And if you'd like, you can set a template as the default display for the interactive chart by selecting the little checkbox to the right of it. Under the Chart Options tab, you can choose to display things on the chart such as periods of U.S. economic recession, and you can also change the line chart to a bar chart instead. However, note that selecting these will reset your color changes. If you want to change the date range for the chart, there are two options. You can either use the sliding bar at the bottom, like so, or you can change the date manually at the top, though remember to stick with the format of year, month, and day here. Going back to the categories of metrics that you can apply to the interactive chart, I want to give a brief introduction to the two categories that some users might not be as familiar with. One is the technical indicators data, which you can see either on the drop-down menu here as a shortened version, or by selecting the technical indicators icon here, which shows a more extended version. Some traders use technical indicators to identify buy or sell signals based on various pattern-based mathematical formulas. Popular technical indicators include things like the Simple Moving Average, or SMA, and the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. We also have a collection of economic data features for your reference. These include things such as the historical prices and revenue for the S&P 500 and other stock indices, as well as the prices of commodities, export and import figures by country, gross domestic product figures by country, and many more. If you find that the metric you want to display on the interactive chart simply isn't there, or if you are looking to combine metrics in some way, then you may find the customized data option useful. GuruFocus users can create customized indicators based on metrics that are already present in the system. For example, if you thought it might be useful to compare EBITDA to earnings per share, you could do it like so. Please note, you may need to exit out of the window and open a new one in order for the custom indicator to show up. Alright, we can see here that now that the window has refreshed, our new metric has shown up. Now, one last thing I want to go over is the annotation tools. Between the chart and the graph is a list of annotation tools so that you can manually add things like trend lines, text, flags, or shapes to the chart in order to help visualize your investing strategy. You can quickly toggle your annotations on and off using the little eye icon in the bottom left here. That's all for this video. In the next episode, we will conclude the series with some general strategy tips and common pitfalls that users may run into on GuruFocus. Stay tuned. If you want to see more from GuruFocus, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified of new content. Come find us on social media as well. We'd love to connect with you. Thanks for watching.